Okay, this is where it's at. This is my 2005 Acura TSX. Came with a 6-speed manual. Decided I want to go turbo. Have a few stuff installed so far. Here trying to figure out how am I going to route everything. So stay tuned. More is coming. Here is a little late video, however. Acura Parts Depot, Race Car Kev, ASAP Mario, and Nick Lou did a drive for Jamaica. It was a car meet / giving back. Yeah, I know the video is late, however, better late than never. So here goes nothing. These are the only footage that I have left. I've lost the majority of my footage. These were the footage that was on my DJI. Hope you like. Stand by for my build series. My Acura TSX. I wouldn't say use the word crazy, but I'm doing a lot of stuff differently from everybody. But nevertheless, let's go on to the video. Let's go.